Alright, and what is up, Wolfpack? This is SoulBeast here, and we are finally here to do Injustice 2 Ranked. I know you guys have been patiently waiting for this, and I apologize so much, but I've been trying to get everything ready so we can have a pretty good series going on, like I said. But before we do, just a couple announcements that I have to make. The first one is being that I tried to get Tekken 7 to get ready to work. I got the game already. And I tried to make sure, we can get it to work and stuff. Well, didn't happen like that. um, yeah, every time I tried to log into the rank thing, it would always just disconnect. I wouldn't be able to play, and it was just kind of frustrating. So I was just like, you know what, I'll just do Injustice 2 for the moment right now. Probably for the rest of this week, and then next week we'll pick back up, and hopefully Tekken 7 will be able to work. But and also just to give you guys a heads up so you can keep the schedule in your heads. The schedule set up for this is going to be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to do one video a day, probably about maybe 15 minutes a piece, maybe 20, don't really know, or 3 matches, I haven't decided yet. But yeah, it's going to be that amount, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, around 10 o'clock Central Standard Time, except Friday might be the only time it might be a little bit late because I work Friday morning. So, yeah, and don't get off till 3. So, I mean, I may be able to record it Thursday and then just, be able to hop into it or have it set up to be released that day, but I haven't decided yet. But anyway, enough rambling on about that. So I hope you guys are excited. I'm super duper excited myself. I'm super duper nervous because I have not been playing Injustice 2 that much. I have been busy getting ready for Stormblood for Final Fantasy. For you Final Fantasy fans out there, you already know the struggle is real. But the fact of the matter is that we're here now, and now we're gonna jump into our first ranked match. So hopefully, this doesn't... He chose the Flash. We're gonna choose our main.
The Flash.
Oh. Oh. He swapped. What is he doing?
The Flash.
Okay.
Fighters approaching Gorilla City.
That was a little bit random, but whatever. Alright. But before this gets down, guys, let me know if you guys are enjoying the fun, and you should be coming along for the ride with me and see how high we can actually climb.
Just come quietly, Catwoman.
Maybe I'll make you chase me?
We both know how that'll turn out.
Alright, let's see what this... Oh, shoot, no. Alright, let's see how this match is going. Gosh! I hate being pinned to the wall. I hate it so much, and this dude's doing it like a... That's why you got kicked. Oh, it makes us even level. See, I didn't know that. Well, there was no point. Ah, I'm so stupid. Gotcha. Alright, let's see. Gosh, no! Okay. This dude's good. Oh my gosh. I would like to... Oh my gosh. The thing is, I'm trying to remember how to do... my I unlocked this move where Catwoman, like, she'll grapple them by the foot and then she'll step on their face. That's what I've been trying to do, but I won anyway. Well, what do you say? That was first victory, number 1. So far we're doing good. We got one One victory. Mark that down as one. Think we'll do about it. I think we'll do about what am I talking about? I think we'll do another one. Hopefully, you know, we can go for another win today, or 2 more wins. Let's see, looking for an opponent. But yeah, I was trying to do that move. I unlocked it like a while ago, and I just, like I said, I just forgot how to do it. Level 13. Oh. This dude plays to win. Oh, no, not Brainiac. God, no.
Cheetah. Catwoman.
He's playing Cheetah. I'll tell you what though, between Catwoman and Cheetah, I prefer Catwoman. I mean, Cheetah's good, but she just attacks so super fast. She can keep you, you know, on your toes. Catwoman's not as fast as she is, but you know, she tries. I gotta stay on them now. Yep, because if I don't, that's gonna happen. Ah, yep. And he'll get those combos off on me. Ah, I can't move.
Pray to the goddess of the hunt.
I hate you. Oh, whatever. Gotcha.
There's no sport in your hunt.
Oh my gosh. Come on, connect. Got him. And down. Now it should be about even. He might win. Yeah, I think he won. Yep. That was a close one, though. But it was really good, though.
Cheetah wins.
Count that down as a loss. So 1 win, 1 loss. Equip that, because that's better than apparently what we have on, so. We'll do 1 more match for the day as Catwoman. I'm not as rusty as I thought I would be, which is, to me, really good. Huh. I'm really happy that it's not like, you know,
Catwoman.
oh gosh. Oh no.
Robin.
I think this is the moment where I'm probably going to rage. I think this is the moment where I'm probably going to rage.
Begin.
Just to let y'all know. Yep. I can feel the rage coming. Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll just throw another one. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. That was pretty early for someone who was just defending so much. That didn't do it. Really? You gonna be that dude today? I thought he hit me first.
Don't ever.
Getting back in the rhythm of things, though.
I could beat you one-handed.
I'm not gonna connect in the block. Yep, he moved. Oh my gosh. How did he? Oh my goodness. He's playing it safe. And that kind of bugs me a little bit. I gotta stay on him. Got him, yes. That's what I'm talking about. 2 wins, 1 loss for the day. You know what? I think for a special treat for you guys, I think we're gonna do 1 more. I don't know. I'm just feeling it right now. So, all right, just so 1 more. 1 more game won't kill us. And then we'll probably cut this video to a close because I've been doing this pretty long enough as it is. But so far we got 2 wins, 1 loss under our belt. For me being gone so long, I'm a little bit shocked at myself. But I think we're doing good. Why do I feel like this dude's a Batman main? I feel like he's a Batman main. I don't know why I feel like that.
Batman. Catwoman.
I like being on the left side.
Fighters approaching Metropolis.
I don't like being on the... whatever.
Begin.
Come on, stay on him. Block, 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 block. Gotcha.
Lost it. You never had it.
Come on, Batman. I need 1 more claw. This is why I'm saying I like to be on the right side. I'm so used to it. I'm looking at his bar thinking it's mine. Gotcha. Now to finish him off. Yes! And that's what I'm talking about right there.
Catwoman wins.
So, surprisingly enough, I'm really shocked. I did really well. I was not expecting to do that well today. 3 wins, 1 loss. I think it's pretty good, folks. That's pretty good. Well, anyway, I think that's enough ranked for the day, you guys. I'm so happy that y'all are here to join this journey with me, and I can't wait to see y'all to the next video, and y'all have a nice day.